Hello friends, welcome to my channel Technical Arquen, myself Arnab Kundu. Today we will learn how to run Python script. Okay, so go to the computer screen. Python is considered an interpreted language because Python programs are executed by an interpreter. Okay, there are two ways to use the interpreter. The first way is the interactive mode and the second way is the script mode. Okay, so if we write print and suppose write technical Arquen, okay, and press enter, so we get the output. So this is the actually the interactive mode. Okay, or suppose we write x equal to 10, y equal to 20, or suppose write z equal x plus y, and if we print this z, so we get 30 as output. Okay, so this is actually the interactive mode. Okay, today I will discuss about script mode. Okay, so you can store Python code in a file and use the interpreter to execute the contents of the file, which is called a script. Python scripts have names that end with .py. Okay, a Python script can be executed at the command line by invoking the interpreter on your application. Okay, you can run Python script from IDE also, like PyCharm or other IDEs concerned. Okay, so today I am showing how you can run this Python script through a command prompt. Okay, so from this Python IDE, at first we will go file and then press new file options. Okay, and this window will open, and from this window we will write here the Python script. So suppose we are write x equal to 5, y equal to 6, and write z equal x plus y. Okay, now suppose we print this z value, means the sum of this x and y. So write sum equal, and after comma we write z. Okay, now we save this file, go to the file and just press the save options, and I want store this in the E drive, and from this E drive I just choose this Python example folder. Okay, you can choose anywhere from your hard disk is concerned, and suppose we provide a name example2.py. should remember when you write a Python script, so the extension should be .py. Okay, and we save it, and now we go to the command prompt. So this prompt is already open, and I am in the particular Python example folder, which is within the E drive. Okay, now we just type Python, and after write the file name example2.py and press enter. So we get the sum equal to 11, because 5 plus 6, it will provide the output 11. Okay, now go for the another example. Python script is concerned, so go file and new file, and then write the code of Python. Suppose we are write here x equal, and suppose write int, means we take an input, so input, and suppose we are write here enter a number. Okay, and close this double quote, and next line we are write y equal int, and same way write input and enter a number. Okay, and we close it. Okay, next line we write z equal x plus y. Okay, now you want to print the value of z, so write sum is, and comma, and write z. Okay, now save the file, same way save it. Okay, and same drive, E drive, and we go the Python example, and suppose provide the name example3.py. Okay, now we go the command prompt. I'm already in Python example folder, so just type Python and example3.py. So now enter a number. So suppose we provide 10 here. Next enter a number again. So provide 20. So sum is 30. Means 10 plus 20, the sum will be 30, because from this particular statement where x value will be 10, and from this particular statement where the input is taken as 20, so y value will be 20. So then it will be the sum of x plus y and stored within the variable z, and we want to print the value of z. So sum is 30. Okay. I hope that you have understood today's topic. For more videos, keep watching my channel Technical Arcade. Thank you.